Yeah, this is a video to show you how to open a trunk lid tailgate on a 2016 GLA250. And we have power to the car, but the trunk lid will not open. And there's really no emergency exit things on the back of it, so you can't really just pull a little lever to open it. It's all power. Here, let me show you what's going on. Alright, so we got through the back. So this is inside of the trunk. And we're taking a flathead and we're inserting it into that opening. Okay. And just kind of feel around there and you will feel it. Basically, you just press it in with that flathead screwdriver in that opening, and the tailgate opens up. So it's this hole. And these trunk lids do not have the manual key opening space. And there's a hidden camera here, so it's not a key hole, it's just a camera in there.